Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me import a random clip. So this one for example. So here you can see that I add a clip. So now I'm going to add the text. Click on this type tool and go on to the video. So I'm going to add my channel name here. How to solutions. And if you want to change the modification or do any editing in the text, so you simply need to select the text like this, go on to the essential graphics, and from here you can change the size like this. You can bold as well like this. Okay, and change the font from here. And here you can see you can add background here, so I'm going to add red background here. And you can, let me show you. So here it is, and you can drag this as well. So I think it's look good now. So here you can see that. So this is the complete process how you can add text in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.